animals eat? How do animals eat? See, different animals eat their food in different ways. Different animals eat their food in different ways. So, the shape of the mouth and teeth of the animals are different. The mouth and the teeth of the animals are different. Okay? So, due to this, it depends upon the shape and size of the animals. So, that shape and size we can see now, and how that animals can eat. How do animals eat? So, first we see the animals that tear and chew flesh. First type, animals that can tear and chew. That can tear and chew flesh. Animals that can tear and chew a flesh means the animals that can tear and chew the flesh. Flesh means what? Meat of the other animals. That flesh, they can tear and chew. Which are that animals? Carnivorous animals. Second type of animal, carnivorous. Carnivorous animals have long and sharp and pointed front teeth to tear the flesh. So, carnivorous animals have long carnivorous animals have long, sharp and pointed, sharp means very sharp and pointed, front teeth, front side teeth, that is very long, sharp and pointed, very pointed, pointed front teeth to tear the flesh, What this front side teeth, they can tear the flesh. Carnivorous animals have long, sharp and pointed front teeth to tear the flesh. They also have a strong grinding teeth. Grinding means what? For chewing purpose. Grinding. The backside teeth, what they are doing? They are just grinding, means chewing the flesh, grinding the teeth to chew a flesh and bones. What is the example? Dog, cat, polar bear, tiger. For example, dog, cat, bear and tiger. Dog, cat, bear and tiger. They have very sharp, long and pointed teeth for tear the flesh. So, they also have a grinding teeth on backside for chewing and eating the flesh. Now, second type, animals that eat grass and chew a curd. Animals that eat a grass and chew a curd. Animals that eat a grass. Which animals eat a grass? Cow, buffalo, horse, elephant, deer, goat. Correct? These animals can eat a grass. So, which type of animals come in this section? Herbivorous. Herbivorous means the animals that can eat only plants and grass. That animals is called as a herbivorous. So, animals that eat a grass and chew a curd. Some herbivorous animals have sharp and flat front teeth to cut the grass and leaves of plants. Sharp, flat front teeth. Sharp. How the shape and size of this animal? Sharp and flat teeth. Sharp, flat front teeth. Sharp, flat front teeth to cut the grass and leaves. To cut the grass and leaves. To cut the grass. That flat and sharp pointed teeth. They just cut the grass. So, sharp, flat front teeth to cut the grass and leaves of plants. They also have a strong, broad back teeth. Chew their food. So, and on the back side there are a broad back teeth for chewing the curds or grass. For chewing the curd and grass. They swallow their food first. What they are doing? They swallow. Swallow means directly put down in our stomach. Okay? Directly put down in our stomach. That is called swallow. They swallow their food first without chewing. Without chewing. They swallow. Swallow means what? Swallow means what? Eating a food as a whole without chewing. Eating a food without chewing. That is called swallow. Eating a food without chewing. They swallow food without chewing. Without chewing, they directly swallow the food. Okay? While resting, they bring the food back into their mouth and chew their grinding teeth, and this is known as chewing the curd. Means when they sat down in one place, what they are doing? They just what they are? They bring this food from their stomach. They bring this food back into their mouth and they are grinding that food with their teeth, and this process is called as a curd. This chewing is called as a curd. Curd means what? Curd means what? A half digest portion of the food that can be bring back to the mouth and chewing in with his teeth. That is called curd. So, who do this? Cow. For example, cow, buffalo, goat. Cow, buffalo, goat. What they are doing? They just doing the process of curd. Which process? Curd process. Curd process means what? Bring back the undigested food to in his mouth and grinding that food with their broad teeth. That is called curd process. Understand? Now, animals that third type, that is animals third type, animals that gna. What is gna? See, beat repeatedly. Gna means beat repeatedly, again and again beat, again and again beat. In this way, this is called gna. This is called gna. Gna means beat repeatedly. In this way, understand? This is called gna. Which animals do this gna? Which animals do? Rabbit, squirrel, mouse and porcupine. Rabbit, mouse, squirrel and porcupine. These animals do a gnaw process. Gnaw process. Gnaw process means what? This is called gnaw process. Gnaw means what? Beat repeatedly. In this way, understand? Now, some animals have very sharp front teeth which help them to break open nuts, seeds and fruit. Some animals have very sharp front means front side, back and back side, front teeth. Some animals have very sharp front teeth, which help them to break, which help them to break a nut and fruits. Nut means, which are the nuts? Ground nut. Then again fruits, a very hard body fruits and nuts, almond. Okay, so these are the sharp front teeth which help them to break nuts and fruits. The fruits and nuts which are very hard, that hard nuts and fruit can be break by this type of animals. Which are that animals? For example, squirrel, again rabbit, squirrel, rabbit, mouse, porcupine, etc. Squirrel, rabbit, mouse and porcupine. What they are doing? They just doing the gnaw process. Gnaw process means beat repeatedly. So how their mouth and teeth, their teeth is very sharp. Front teeth is very sharp, which help them to break the nuts and fruits. Squirrel, rabbit, mouse and porcupine are the examples of this type of animals. Now, understand? Now, the next is animals that swallow their food. Animals that swallow their food. 4 number. Animals that swallow their food. Which animals swallow their food? Means they directly enter their food in their stomach without chewing. Some animals such as snakes and not have the some animals that just like a snakes and a frog, what they are doing? They just swallow their food. Swallow means what? They directly eat their food without chewing. That is called swallow. Understand what is meant by swallow? Swallow means the animals which directly eat their food without chewing. That is called swallow. So, which are that animals? Snake, frog, lizard. These are the some animals eat their food without beating and chewing. Some animals eat their food without beating and chewing with teeth. Without beating and chewing teeth. So, what they are doing? They just swallow the food inside their stomach. Which are that animals? For example, snake, frog, lizard, etc. Snake, frog and lizard. These animals, they can swallow their food without biting and chewing. Understand? Now, the next animal is animals that suck their food. Animals, fifth number. Animals that suck their food. Suck. Some animals that they can suck their food directly. Suck means what? When you go in the market and you order some drink and you also use the straw. What you can do? That time you just suck the drink with the help of straw. That is called suck. So, some animals that suck their food directly without chewing and biting. So, which are that animals? Some animals have a special and developed mouth parts that help them to take a liquid food by sucking. Liquid food by sucking. So, these animals do not have a teeth. Some animals what? Have a special developed mouth. Have special developed mouth. Means they have very special type of mouth. What they are doing? What they are doing with their special mouth? What they just suck their food with their very sticky tongue. With their very sticky tongue, they just suck their food directly without chewing and biting. Understand? Some animals have a very special developed mouth. So, they can take a liquid food by sucking. They can take liquid by sucking. Some animals have special developed mouth. They can take